My boss said, don't do an unboxing video. It's gonna take too much time. Stole this from the office. Let's get to the unboxing. And here we've got our temporary workspace. Everything arranged nicely inside like so. All right, so we've got our premium quick start guide right here. It's got everything you're gonna need to know. Premium toolkit, got a bunch of tools in here. It can handle pretty much everything you need. We've got the B7000 glue. So this is extra adhesive just in case you need it. It's really helpful on the corners. We've got our thank you note, and finally the digitizer itself. Now for the premium toolkit. All right, so here we have alcohol wipes. These are going to help remove the massive amount of adhesive that Apple decides to put on their products. This right here, also a lifesaver. It's extra thin, made of aluminum. This is going to be our easy opening tool. This right here, additionally, is going to help open it. It's a professional grade spudger. We've got a pair of tweezers here. This is going to help you with your cables. Obviously, clean your screen up. You don't want some fingerprints. Here we've got a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. It's magnetic. It's going to help you pick up all your screws. Suction cup, pretty self-explanatory. And here we have a little bit of extra adhesive and a little bit of extra glue. So what these right here are for, these guitar picks are going to help pry open the screen, and that's going to help you a lot at the initial stage of your repair. Careful. So here we have the digitizer. As you can see, we've got Tessa tape pre-installed around the edges. So if you do need that extra adhesive, it's there just in case. As you can also see, we've got the cables and home button pre-installed. So these cables right here are going to be the ones that connect your touchscreen, and right here is your pre-installed home button. Last but not least, thank you card. If you guys have any questions at all, any problems during installation, any quality issues, any defects, we replace it free of charge. Alrighty, I think that about concludes it. Now, it's time for me to put all of this away.